Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Most orchid growers often make one common mistake, caring for their plants too hastily, watering too much or too little when they see the plant looking weak or the leaves turning yellow. In fact, this is completely unnecessary. In today's video, I'll share a completely natural, safe, gentle, and easy to follow orchid care formula that you can do at home. After many years of applying this method, it has delivered clear results. Strong, healthy, plump, white roots. Green, glossy, smooth leaves. Long flower spikes, evenly forming buds, and vibrant blooms. Your entire orchid garden will be full of vitality, fresh, lively, and bursting with color. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started right away. To prepare this fertilizer, first I pour 500 milliliters of boiling water into a glass cup like this. The main ingredient in this recipe is turmeric powder, a familiar ingredient that most households already have on hand. Next, I add 1 spoonful of turmeric powder to the cup of water and stir well until the active compounds in the turmeric are completely dissolved. This process helps release curcumin along with other antioxidants, allowing them to be evenly dispersed throughout the solution. Turmeric powder is an important ingredient in orchid care thanks to its natural antibacterial properties and rich nutrient content. It helps orchids grow healthily, keeps the leaves green and glossy, and encourages more abundant flowering. Finally, cover it and let the solution sit for about 1 hour until it cools completely. During that time, I use garlic to prepare the next ingredient. Garlic has excellent antibacterial and disinfectant properties for plants. Here, I use 3 cloves of garlic. I will separate the peel from the garlic flesh like this. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, slice the garlic cloves into small pieces. This helps release their natural antibacterial and disinfectant properties to the fullest. Then, add all the sliced garlic into the cup. Finally, add 500 milliliters of boiling water. Carefully cover the cup and let the solution sit for about 1 hour so that the active compounds from the garlic fully dissolve, making it ready for use on the plants. Before applying the fertilizer, water the plants first. If the soil is too dry, the roots won't be able to absorb the nutrients, making it harder for the plant to recover. Pre-watering helps the roots develop better and allows the orchid to recover faster. After watering, let the plant rest and absorb enough water. Once the roots have absorbed sufficient water, they will turn green like this. At this point, you can safely apply the fertilizer without worrying about harming the plant. Repeat the same process with the remaining plants, ensuring that each one absorbs enough water before applying the fertilizer. After about 1 hour, once the turmeric solution has cooled, strain out the residue and solids, keeping only the clear liquid. This is the organic fertilizer you will use to nourish your plants. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Similarly, strain the soaked garlic water to remove the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. At this stage, I will mix the garlic solution with a turmeric solution, so that the two ingredients blend together and complement each other nutritionally. Next, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution, ensuring that the nutrients are evenly distributed and safe for the roots when applied to the plants. And that's it. The organic solution is now ready to use. Let's apply it directly to your orchid pots so the plants can grow healthy and bloom beautifully. Method 1. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a piece of cotton to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the orchid leaves in a slow, gentle manner. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust and long accumulated residues, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. It also helps limit the invasion of bacteria, fungi, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. Moreover, turmeric powder and garlic contain natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with important vitamins and minerals. These help boost leaf vitality, support metabolic processes, and enhance the plant's natural ability to prevent diseases. You should carefully wipe both sides of the leaves so the nutrients can penetrate deeply, helping the leaves become thicker, stronger, and retain their natural shine. This method should be done once or twice a week. It helps keep the leaves clean, improves photosynthesis efficiency, limits fungal diseases, and supports sustainable plant growth without causing damage to the leaf tissue. Method 2. Root watering. I pour the turmeric and garlic solution into a dedicated watering can, then gently water around the base of the orchid. This method not only provides a rich source of natural nutrients from turmeric and garlic, but also delivers natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, antioxidants, and minerals. These help the roots grow strong, keep the leaves green and glossy, and enhance the plant's natural resistance. Both turmeric powder and garlic are rich in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and many essential micronutrients. These help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively, restore vitality, and promote overall growth. At the same time, their natural compounds help limit fungal diseases, improve the aeration of the growing medium, and create a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms around the roots. You should apply this watering method once a week at first, then reduce it to once or twice a month to maintain a stable nutrient supply. When watering, do it gently and evenly, avoiding excess water accumulation so the roots can absorb nutrients well, the growing medium stays well aerated, and the risk of fungal diseases is reduced. Method 3. Mist spraying. Transfer the turmeric and garlic solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then evenly mist it over the entire plant, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Mist spraying allows natural nutrients, minerals, and antibacterial antifungal compounds to evenly reach all parts of the plant, forming a natural protective layer that keeps the plant healthy and helps prevent attacks from bacteria, fungi, and pests. Be sure to spray both the upper and underside of the leaves thoroughly so the solution can penetrate deeply, clean the leaves, enhance photosynthesis efficiency, and stimulate vigorous plant growth. During the first month, apply it once a week, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term care effectiveness. After each spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients. If there is any water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it away with a soft cloth or clean cotton to remove it completely. This step is very important because standing water can create favorable conditions for fungal growth. By drying the leaves, you proactively prevent harmful agents, reduce the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and keep the orchid healthy with thick, green, glossy leaves full of vitality. In addition to orchids, you can also mist-spray this solution on Anthuriums. Gently spray the turmeric and garlic solution around the base of the Anthurium. When misting, the solution supplies essential nutrients directly to the roots, helping them grow strong, absorb nutrients efficiently, and boost the plant's vitality. At the same time, the natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds help protect the plant against fungi, bacteria, and pests from the roots, stimulate the development of new shoots and flower spikes, and allow the flowers to bloom longer and stay fresh. During the recovery period, you should spray once a week, then reduce it to once or twice a month to maintain a stable nutrient supply for the plant. Because Anthurium leaves are thicker and tougher than orchid leaves, you do not need to wipe the leaves after spraying. The nutrients in the solution will naturally penetrate through the leaves, nourishing the plant directly and effectively. Results after 2 months. The orchid leaves are now deep green, glossy, and thick. New leaves grow full of vitality, carry out photosynthesis efficiently, and nourish all new shoots. The root system has developed strongly, producing many new white, plump roots that firmly attach to the growing medium. This greatly improves water and nutrient absorption, helping the entire plant stay healthy and full of energy. Orchids that were once stubborn and refused to bloom for a long time have now begun to split their stems and push out new, vigorous flower spikes. From small leaf axils, tiny flower buds have appeared, signaling a brilliant blooming season ahead. More flower buds are forming, larger in size, with bright colors and long-lasting blooms. The flowers open one after another, creating an orchid pot that remains vibrant and beautiful for many weeks. This is a well-deserved reward for persistent and careful care. When nurtured properly, orchids will repay you with abundant vitality and naturally stunning flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.